Good evening, Com Edward. Gaano po ba tayo ka-excited para po sa pagbubukas ng finals ng NPL Pilipinas?
Hi, Sus. Good evening. After 3 months, now I'm back again uh, on the screen.
Mhm.
Number one, medyo sobrang excited this finals because Sus, dun mo kasi makikita how healthy the league is. Meaning, there's no such thing as a stronger team, a not so strong team.
Mhm.
Kasi every conference nagbabago yung yung team, no? I mean vying for the finals. Last conference during the Governor's Cup of the same season, it was Taguig and Tikas Kapampangan. And now the rival team of Taguig is now competing in the finals since their 2018, because Kamsur Express is one of our loyal
Mhm.
pioneer team in the NBL. So, um, actually, maganda yung rivalry kasi kung makikita mo yung engagement sa page, talagang ang ganda ng mga palitan ng mga good luck messages to
Mhm.
both teams. So, yun, we're also hoping that, it will replicate the success, the hits that we had, the number of audience that we had in the venue, especially this time in Bicol. We'll be playing in a bigger venue.
Wow.
So, yeah, so in a bigger venue. And Pampanga also, Tikas Kapampangan has provided us a bigger venue in the Pampanga State University Gymnasium. So it's a bigger venue compared to the previous venue. So ngayon mas maraming Kapampangan, mas maraming Bicolano ang suporta sa kanilang mga homegrown teams. So,